Oh, the winds blow east, the winds blow west.
The winds blow the sunshine, the fastest and the best.
Ready, set, play! Ready, set, learn!
Ready, Set, Learn. Weekday mornings on Discovery Kids.
We're almost ready for the next show. Hi-5! Let's watch.
5 in the air, let's do it together. 5 to the side, cares about the weather. 5 on the floor, party's on your place. 5 to the front, there's a smile on my face. Hi, 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 hi. Together, 1, 2, 3, 4. High five. 1, 2, 3, 4. High five. 1, 2, 3, 4. High five. 5 in the air, let's do it together. High five.
Look around, as far as I can see, the colors of the world are waiting for me. Blue for the sky, green for the trees, yellow for the sun, orange autumn leaves.
If I had to choose one color, a color just for me, I'd have to take them all, you'll see. And I'd be living in a rainbow,
Living in a rainbow,
colors everywhere, colors all around me,
colors all around me.
and no one has a care. Colors everywhere.
If I had wings of gold, I'd fly way up high. I'd fly through the rainbow that colors the sky, gliding through the red, dying in the blue, sliding down the yellow to be next to you.
If I had to choose one color, a color just for me, I'd have to take them all, you'll see. And I'd be living in a rainbow,
Living in a rainbow,
colors everywhere, colors all around me,
colors all around me.
and no one has a care. Living in a rainbow,
Living in a rainbow,
colors everywhere, colors all around me,
colors all around me.
and no one has a care. Colors everywhere. Living in a rainbow, living in a rainbow, living in a rainbow, living in a rainbow.
Hi, I'm Curtis.
Hi, I'm Kimmy. Hi, I'm Jen.
Hi, I'm Sean.
Hi, I'm Carla.
And together, we're Hi-5.
This is going to be a picture of a park near my house. So I'm painting the sky blue. There. Just give the brush a rinse. Now, let's paint the sun yellow. Painting the sun bright yellow, bright yellow. Painting the bright yellow sun. Chop chop! There. Not bad. A warm yellow sun. Just give the brush a rinse. And now let's paint the green grass. Oh, well, that's funny. Well, I'm sure I had green paint here before. Well, how am I supposed to paint the green grass? Hey, wait a minute. Well, this water's green. Well, how did that happen? I didn't use any green paint. Well, I painted the sky blue, and then I rinsed the paint off that brush, and then I painted the sun yellow, and then I rinsed the paint off that brush. And then the blue water mixed with the yellow water to make green water. I wonder if that means blue and yellow. Hey, look! Green! Blue and yellow mixed together makes green. Well, it doesn't matter that the green paint is missing. Now I can finish painting my grass. Painting the grass, blue and yellow, blue and yellow. Painting the bright green grass. Oh, who needs green paint? Now I can finish painting the park. Painting the park, blue and yellow, blue and yellow. Painting the bright green park.
Chop chop!
Huh? Oh, what's this? Red paint? Where'd this come from? I know. Oh, I can paint red flowers. Red for the petals and yellow for the center. Hey, look at that. Well, the red and yellow mixed together made orange. Oh, I can make orange flowers too. Painting the flowers, red and yellow, red and yellow. Painting the orange flowers.
Chop chop pink too!
Circle, triangle, rectangle, circle, circle, rectangle, square.
I'm pretending to paint clouds in the sky. Big, round, fluffy ones. Oh, I like that movement. All free and flowing. I might try my other hand now. In my body there is movement, in my body melody, in my body lots of movement. It's flowing all through me. I can dance out the movement, so there's something I can keep. I'll remember all my movements when I'm fast asleep. Paint some quick, sharp jumping lines now. In my body there is movement, in my body melody, in my body lots of movement. It's jumping all through me. I can dance out the movement, so there's something I can keep. I'll remember all my movements when I'm fast asleep.
Rowing down the Congo River. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Lots and lots of jungle trees. Lots and lots of big green leaves. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Lots and lots of jungle trees. Lots and lots of big green leaves. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Lots of jungle animals hide and live in the big green leaves and the swirly whirly vines on the jungle trees. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Lots and lots of jungle trees. Lots and lots of big green leaves. Monkeys swing through the trees with their curly tails. And long, slinky snakes glide along the branches. They live here. And on the floor of the jungle, there are lions with big, bushy manes. Let's row further down the river. All right, here we go. Around the corner here. Oh, mosquitoes. Oh, big Congo mosquitoes. Oh, it gets pretty hot out on the jungle river. That's why I've got my bottle of water. And I need food, too. I'll get hungry with all that rowing. That's why I've packed myself a little lunch. I'll need lots of energy for my big adventure. Let's see what else I can find. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Snakes and monkeys in the trees. Keep on rowing, there's more to see. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Snakes and monkeys in the trees. Keep on rowing, there's more to see. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Oh, wow, look, I see a crocodile ahead. Let's row faster. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Lions watch monkeys and snakes in trees. Keep on rowing, there's more to see. Oh, awesome, a crocodile. Whoa, better not get too close. He's a little snappy today. Oh, wow, I think I'm coming to the end of the Congo River now. Not so many trees anymore. Better turn the boat around. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Snakes and monkeys in the trees. Keep on rowing, there's more to see. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Snakes and monkeys in the trees. Keep on rowing, there's more to see. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom. Congo, Congo, boom, boom, boom.
Guess what I am? A parrot. Ah, ah! Time to fly. Watch me. Ah, ah! Fly up and down. Ah, ah, ah! Twisting round and round. Ah, ah! Soar through the air. I can fly anywhere. I'm sleepy. Night, night. Night, night. Ah! Woo-hoo! Fly!
Ooh, it's getting chilly out there, Chats.
Oh, I like it when it's fresh and bright and warm outside.
Oh, well, I like the cool rain and jumping in puddles. Splash!
And I like the clear blue sky.
Oh, and I like to see the leaves turn brown.
And I like watching new, colorful flowers grow each day.
Oh, hey, Chats, we both like different seasons. See if you can guess which season I like.
And which one I like. My leaves are green.
My leaves are brown.
My leaves grow up.
Mine blow around.
I like the sunshine.
I like puddles.
I like to stretch.
I like to snuggle.
I'm a season.
I'm a season. Can you guess which one?
Spring or fall.
Fall or spring, both different, but lots of fun. Oh, hey, Chats, look, we are the different seasons.
Yeah, can you guess which season we are? I'm fresh and bright and green. I'm spring. That's me.
Did you guess which season I am? My leaves turn brown and fall to the ground.
I know who you are, Jen. You're fall.
That's right, Chats. In fall, some of the leaves change color and the wind blows them off the trees. Whoosh!
My leaves are green.
My leaves are brown.
My leaves grow up.
Mine blow around.
I like the sunshine.
I like puddles.
I like to stretch.
I like to snuggle.
I'm a season.
I'm a season. Can you guess which one?
Spring or fall.
Fall or spring, both different, but lots of fun.
Hey, fall. My flowers are very thirsty, and you've got lots of rain over there. Could you please water my flowers?
Why, certainly, Spring. Have some of my rainwater.
These spring flowers are very thirsty.
Oh, Chats, your flowers are magnificent.
Yes, they're purple and pink and yellow. My leaves are green.
My leaves are brown.
My leaves grow up.
Mine blow around.
I like the sunshine.
I like puddles.
Autumn leaves are heaps of fun. Toss them high, let them fall, play hide and seek. Here I am, scrunch them up, hear them crinkle, roll around, they're heaps of fun. Toss them high, let them fall, play hide and seek. Here I am, scrunch them up, hear them crinkle, roll around, they're heaps of fun. One more time. Toss them high, let them fall, play hide and seek. Here I am, scrunch them up, hear them crinkle, roll around, they're heaps of fun.
Once upon a time, there was a boy named Rusty. Oh, well, here he is now. Well, Rusty loved rainy days because he loved to wear his bright blue rainy day boots.
Squelch, 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 squelch. When I hear this sound, it's 'cause there's something on my feet. They go squelch, squelch, squelch. I've got rain boots on my feet. There, ready for some puddle splashing.
Yep, you guessed it. Rusty loved wearing his blue rainy day boots because when he put them on, he went puddle splashing. Oh, here comes one of Rusty's friends.
Hey, Rusty. What are you up to?
Oh, I'm gonna do
Oh,
some...
look, here's another friend.
Hey, what's everybody doing?
I was about to say...
And one more friend makes four. 4 friends out in the rain. Oh, but poor Rusty hasn't splashed in any puddles yet.
Hi, everyone. Hey, cool puddles.
Well, that's why I'm wearing my boots, because I'm gonna
Hey,
do...
those boots will be cool for puddle splashing.
Yeah, really.
Well, maybe now Rusty and his bright blue boots might get some splashing done.
Squelch, 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 squelch. When we hear this sound, it's time for squishy, splashy fun. Ice is squishy, splashy, squishy, splashy, squelch, squelch, squelch.
That looks like fun.
Hey, that does look like fun.
Oh, well, come on then. Squelch, 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 squelch. When we hear this sound, it's time for squishy, splashy fun. Ice is squishy, splashy, squishy, splashy, squelch, squelch, squelch.
Well, Rusty loved splashing with his friends. And he wished they could do it all day long. Oh, but then, the rain stopped.
Oh, no.
What is
it?
The rain has stopped, and now the puddles are all going to dry up, and there will be no more splashing today.
Oh, Rusty felt a little disappointed now that the rain had stopped.
Oh, hey, don't worry, Rusty. Well, the sun is shining now, and look, it's made a rainbow.
A beautiful rainbow.
Wow, look at all those colors.
Yeah, you're right. It is a rainbow.
And from that day on, Rusty and his bright blue boots had fun splashing when it rained. And sometimes when it stopped and there were no more new puddles, they found rainbows. Hey, guys, guess what I found?
A rainbow?
Some more
Rainbow?
puddles?
No, a new song to sing. Come on.